Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you overnight Heatless tight curls. If you are allowed to know how I created this, then please keep on watching.
Yeah.
First of all, what we need: one pack of straws, water and elastic band. And main point is that time and patience is very important. Now I am partitioning my hair in two sections. I am securing the one part of hair with the clutcher, and for other part I am spraying a water cause we need a wet hair. And now detangle your hair properly. Here I am taking a very small section of hair from my backside. Start your curl from a backside of your hair only. Don't start from a front side. Now I am spraying a water and take one straw. Roll your hair over this straw like this way, which I am showing here. And now again I am spraying some water and fold your straws together. Now take a elastic and tie the straw. Again I am doing a same step. Before that I am securing my rest of the hair with a clutcher. Other hairs are more disturbing, so first secure your hair before you start your work. And now I am doing a same step, same procedure. I will show you in a close-up. Rest of the hairs are so annoying, so I am placing here and there and securing with the same clutcher. Now this is a close shot. How to do a curls with straws. See how I am rolling my hair over this straw. Now fold the straw together and tie it with the elastic. Actually, this is a very lengthy process. For this tight curls we have to work hard. For these curls, most important three things which we need is: first is time, next is patience, and most important is energy. Almost I am tired when I did 4-5 curls. And now successfully I have completed these steps after 2 hours. So it's a bedtime. Let's see the result at morning. Bye bye, good night. Good morning. Now I am removing my hair cover. Let's see how it looks. Take the scissor and cut your elastic one by one cause it doesn't remove. When I removed my first curl, I was very disappointed. What's this? The curl is not perfect. And also that day was a rainy day. On rainy season curls never stick, so I thought that is the reason behind this. But when I removed my second curl, it looks super awesome. It looks like a spring. So I am satisfied. To remove your curls, again you need a time and patience. That is very important for this hairstyle. And I have successfully removed all my straws, and now I am separating the curls one by one. Literally I am looking like onion. Ta-da! And now I am spraying some hairspray to stay for at least 2 to 3 hours because that was a rainy day, I already told. And this is the final look. And guys, for this makeup look I have already uploaded in my Instagram profile. You can check it out from there. And oh yeah, this hairstyle is recommended by my friend, so I have recreated this hairstyle called noodles Monday, which is very popular in Tamilnadu. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another video. Tata, bye bye, take care.